All right, we made it to Friday. I hope you have a wonderful day. I've started to save our read to self time until Fridays. So I'm hoping that you enjoy your book that you're reading, you find your favorite place, and when you finish the book, don't forget to mark it on your reading log. All right, so we're going to jump right into phonics work. All right, so today's day 5. And we're going to do some work with words today. Right? Now, we have a list of words, okay, because today we're going to read, review, and practice different spelling patterns. Right? And we're going to use the words that are listed here. The first one here is playful, reading, brighter, growing, fewer, sooner, explained, yesterday, weighing, seaweed, believe, replied, tonight, height, unload, regrow, through, review, poison, balloon, around, and rejoice. All right, so you have 2 different options with these words. Okay, you may choose to write each one of these words on a different index card, or I also included a PDF or a document in Schoology that you can print off and cut the words apart. Okay, and once you have those cards made, we're going to practice flipping through those cards, reading the words. Right? Then you'll practice spelling the words. All right? Now this is something that you could keep and work on throughout the week. Maybe you want to pick 5 or your 5 hardest spelling words and really focus on those for your work today. And then lastly, we're going to challenge you to sort these words into words where you hear the long A. Okay, do you remember what the long A sounds like? Okay, the long sounds are always a little bit easier because they say their name. So the long A makes the A sound. And I can hear that in the words pain, play. Okay, those would be 2 words, or the words on your list are painful and playing. Those 2 I would put in the long A pile. Okay, long E, okay, again says its name, so it makes the E sound. Like read, teen. Okay, those 2 are making that long E sound. Okay, long I sound says I. So bright. See if I can find another one that has a long I on this list. You know, the bright might be the only one that I see. But if we looked at our list here, see if we can find another one. So brighter. How about height? Height makes that long I sound. Long O makes the O sound. So unload would make the long O sound. Regrow makes the long O. Then long U, of course, says you. Okay, so we want to find a place that has that long U sound. Through, ooh. You know, it doesn't say the whole U. Sometimes it just says the ooh part. And that's okay. So a word like through would have the long U sound. All right. And then words that don't fit in any of those categories, feel free to make a pile of those words as well. Okay, our focus this week is really looking at those vowel teams. What kind of teams make the long vowel sounds? All right, so enjoy your time. Hopefully you can step away from the computer with this activity and work with your cards for a little bit. All right, and then again, read to self for reading. Enjoy.